universe contact with us, every one of us differently and specially. So that's the most beautiful way and most beautiful thing about universe, that we all are chosen by the universe in different way, in different dimension of life. That is the most beautiful thing I see about universe. How universe choose me. I am sure that it will be different in your case, and that is the most beautiful thing about the universe. So here I am going to tell how universe is chose me. And more beautiful thing than chose, I like a word connection. How universe connect with me, how universe was connected with me, and from that day and now on until the life I am connected with universe, because I see that I was naturally connected with universe. But I am going to tell that how first universe was connected with me. So I was studying in graduation in BSc Maths Honors in Banaras Hindu University, and I'm blessed by God to study in that prestigious university in the universe. And like all of we have, I don't know all of we have or not, but most of us we have that we are seeing when great people in the field, in their field, like we are saying, when we are seeing, like I'm not saying about anyone else, but when I was seeing that great people in the field of cricket, like I was seeing that Sachin Tendulkar or Dhoni, that they are master of their field, like, or I was listening to Abdul Kalam, I was listening to Narendra Modi, or I was listening to Neil. That time I didn't know about that Neil deGrasse Tyson, or I didn't know about anything about too much bigger scientists, but I was I was know that like Shah Rukh Khan. So I was fascinated by the people who are greatest in their work. Okay, so now what I was always continuously asking God, that God give me some kind of work, some kind of passion, that which will make me greatest in the world. That is the first desire I have. I was listening to all the greatest people in the world after 12, and in the time period of getting into good college, that was time span we have. So I was listening to all the greatest people in the world, their interview, their speech. And I was always thinking that please God, give me that kind of work, not some work, give me that kind of work, that which will make me greatest in the universe, like greatest, like Abdul Kalam, not like them, but like my own, but greatest, not same but similar. That's kind I'm saying something that. So I was listening to all the greatest people. So that is the proper word we use in the word, like now that passion. Like I was seeing that God give me some that passion, that which can make me greatest in the world. So I was that zone, and I was continuously asking and finding. Then I'm now seeing that, because I'm connecting with too many youngsters and too many kids in the universe. So I'm seeing that people in the 9th, 10th, 11th, they know much more about the science and space than I ever know in 12th. I'm not ashamed of saying that I didn't know as much as too many people know about space, science. I was known. And then when I entered the first year of this prestigious university in the universe, Banaras Hindu University, I was starting seeing that there are many huge buildings, there are many huge library, and there are many events which are going on. I was attending lectures of greatest scientists in IITs. In Banaras Hindu University there is IITs, so there are astro branches, there are cosmology branches there, and I was fascinated, and I was going to attend these lectures. But that time I didn't have any intention in my head that I want to become scientist or what. I didn't know. So I was just looking around, and then after all the 1 year, I was just only listening to the greatest people of their own respective field, and I was listening, and I was always thinking that please God, give me that kind of passion which can make me greatest in the world. And it took almost 1 year, at least 1 year. And after that I didn't find even that. After that there are many personal issues which were going into my life. And then I broke with some people which was too close to me, and I was in too much darkness in my head, and I was too isolated, and kind of depression I was in. So then I found that, and it is God honest truth, man, I was in too dark zone in my life, proper depression kind of phase. Then I found that a book in library, in Central Library in Banaras Hindu University. I found a book of cosmology, God honest truth, that was written on the book, that cosmology. and I still remember the cover. It was like, purple cover, and it was like Cosmology on big. I didn't know what was the writer. I didn't know any other thing. I just remember only that one cover of the book that was written Cosmology. And when I turned the first page, that was a space-time curvature diagram, like this diagram, like this. And when I start, when I was too depressed and I too sad at that point of time in my life. And when I came, I was start reading in the book in library, and I somehow feel like a deeper connection with it. I don't know how it is. I don't know I don't know. It is too. I don't know. It is too artistic, and it has two dimensions. It can't express in word. I don't know what was that feeling that I was finding that a deeper link, a deeper connection with that. And not that from that time I become out of the depression and become out of the sadness in my life. No, I was not. Almost 1 year of my life I was in sadness, depression. Almost 1 year, more than 1 year, almost 2 years. But I was continuously studying about space and excited about cosmology, space, and everything in this world. So when I used to study about space, I used to feel some light in me, because even there were too much sadness in my life. So I was feeling some light in me whenever I was studying in space. So after when I was continuously acquiring space, and after a point in my life, I didn't know after 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, because I was continuously studying about space and I was sad. Or simultaneously these things are going on. These things were going on simultaneously, because I was sad and I was studying about space. So I didn't know after how many months, 3, 4, 6 or 1 year, I realized that I am one with universe naturally. So all the relation I broke, that was temporary kind of relation. All the fundamental relation we have in the universe, that is the cosmic relation we have. All the relation are not that real. That is the more relation, that is a cosmic relation. So our relation with cosmos, like we all the planets which come from the how we are formed as a life. The primary and fundamental creation after the Big Bang was and they formed after several years, like galaxies and stars. And then star explode. Then again they formed star, and when the glass again explode, then they become a gas cloud. And then again star form from them, and then again become gas cloud. And these processes start successively continuously going on. Okay, and from then after some time, that from that star some planet starts burning, solar system of a star burning, galaxy, and then meteoroids, comets start forming, and all the planets which are forming from the stars, some of the planets which don't have life, and some of the planet which has life. And the planet which has life, the life is not eventually born and then immediately. They evolve after several years, several thousands years, sometimes some million years. So we are on the planet which have life. So our planet is blessed by the stars, our planet is blessed by the universe, our planet is blessed by the God. So when I started studying about everything about space, when I started studying everything about stars, when I study everything about nature, so I find that the true relation we have our cosmic relation. The best relation we have is that our cosmic relation. So from that time I was continuously acquiring knowledge, and I was getting more and more close to space, more and more close to nature. And then I find, and every day I am studying about universe, I am studying about nature, I am studying about everything around myself. I am observing, I am absorbing, I am expressing, and every day, every night, after every day, I find and I see and I understand that my relation with universe is much more deeper than I ever thought. And that is the only reason I am studying universe. That is the only reason I am studying about universe, because every day I am studying about universe, and I am finding that I am more deeply connected with universe. That is the only reason I am studying about universe. Every day I am seeing that I am more and more one with universe than I ever thought, and we all are one with universe. Naturally, We don't have to become one with universe. We all are one with universe. We can see that and we can understand that scientifically or spiritually. But we are one with universe. So that was my thing. That how universe communicated with me. So we all have different ways. Different universe has different ways for everyone. Like universe connected with you is different from me. Like if universe is not connected with you, it is going to connect with you and it will be totally different. Even if you find the book of cosmology, maybe writer is different, but it will be different. So if you not find the connection, and if universe is not called you yet, it will call, man. It will call. So that's I am saying that more than anything else, we are one with universe naturally. We are one with universe naturally, and universe connect with us every day. Universe connect with us every night. Universe connect with us when we are walking on the streets. Universe is connecting with us when we are going in market. Universe is connected with us when we are walking in park. Universe is connecting with us when we are seeing the stars. Universe is connecting with us because we all have spark. We are one with universe naturally. We are one with universe naturally, and the more we see universe, the more we understand universe. The more we ask question in the universe, the more we seek answer in the universe, the more we find that we are one with universe naturally. Thank you.